Victoria's second wave deadlier than the first.
Sad to have to report a further 5 Victorians have passed away, bringing to a total of 61 the number of Victorians who have died because of this global pandemic.
Among the victims, a woman in her 60s, a further 357 infections recorded in Victoria. 37 of those linked to known outbreaks, 320 are under investigation. 229 people are in hospital, 42 in ICU. The number of active cases rising to 3,995. Concerningly, 313 are healthcare workers. 536 are connected to aged care facilities.
It is incredibly difficult to keep this out of aged care settings, particularly with such a transient and flexible and often insecure workforce.
The federal government not washing its hands of the Victorian crisis, pledging further assistance to help control the outbreaks.
We have moved to establish a Victorian Aged Care Response Centre.
Aged care staff are now banned from working at more than one facility to reduce the risk of spreading the virus. But the opposition leader says the government should have done more earlier.
The fact is that insecure work is not just a problem for the economy. We've seen during this crisis that insecure work as an issue with the spread of this virus.
As cases rise, Melburnians are increasingly concerned restrictions will be tightened. The Premier insists that's not on the cards.
Masks are effectively our stage 4.
But the Chief Health Officer concedes the city's 6-week lockdown will likely be extended.
I don't think we'll be looking at opening up in a couple of weeks necessarily, but we do have to just watch it continuously.
Gabriella Power, Sky News, Melbourne.